And here is our pool noodle pumpkin. Now I'm going to back up and get a better shot of him. He's a bit too tight to the pathway, but there he is. Let's see if I can hold the camera. It's kind of hard to see him. I'm just going to back up and get a better shot. He's got 1,000 fairy lights in him. And there he is. Awesome. There's our pumpkin guard guy. And he's guarding the pool noodle pumpkin. Trying to back up enough to get him in the frame, which is not easy. Let's see. No, I can't do it. There's the other guard. There's our pool noodle pumpkin. He looks a lot better at night. There's the pumpkin. It's the pool noodle pumpkin. Here comes some more.
I swear, there's no.
Hello.